Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and use WhatsApp on PC or your laptop. First thing you want to do is go to your App Store. This could be your Apple Store or the Microsoft Store. Once you have it open, you want to click on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Once you found WhatsApp, you're going to see install and click on install. Once you have the WhatsApp application downloaded, to launch it, you want to click on open. In the first page, you'll be greeted with a welcome to WhatsApp. Click on get started. And this will show you the steps in which you can connect your WhatsApp to your computer. So the step is simple. You want to open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu with the three dots on Android, or settings with the settings icon on iPhone. Then tap login devices and then link a device. And then finally, you need to point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. So I'm going to show you how you can do that with your phone. The other option is for you to link with phone number. So if you click on phone number, you'll be able to select your country and enter your phone number, which a verification code will be sent to. On your mobile phone, you want to open WhatsApp. Then come to these three dots at the top right corner of your screen for more options and tap on this. Now you're going to see linked devices. Now tap on linked devices and you're going to see link a device. Tap on link a device. The next step is going to show you how you can scan the QR code. Tap on OK to open your camera to scan the QR code. And with that, you should have successfully signed in into WhatsApp. This will connect your WhatsApp account to your PC. You can also link up to 4 devices. You'll be able to do things such as chat, make calls, and view WhatsApp status. To sign you out of any device you have linked your WhatsApp to, you want to come back to link devices. And under the device status, you're going to see all of the devices you have been linked to. Tap on the device and then you will see logout option. Tap on logout and you'll be logged out on that computer. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to download and use WhatsApp on PC or on your laptop, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have this post notification bell turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.